Hi learners, welcome to the channel. Today let's solve this in 5 minutes. 16 power 5 minus 16 power 4 is equal to what? Come, let's solve this quickly and easily. You see 16 is nothing but 2 power 4, okay? Which is 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. You see, when you multiply it is 16, okay? So instead of 16, we can write 2 power 4. So 16 power 5 minus 16 power 4. So we can rewrite as 2 power 4 to the power 5 minus 2 power 4 to the power 4. Okay. So when you multiply the powers, it is 2 power 20 minus 2 power 4 fours are 16. This 20, you see, you can write the 20 as 16 plus 4. So 16 plus 4 in the power and the next term is 2 power 16. Now you see, you can split that powers. Okay. So 2 power 16 into 2 power 4 minus 2 power 16. Now you see 2 power 16 is common, isn't it? So taking common terms outside. Taking common terms outside, which is 2 power 16 here. So 2 power 16 is common, bring it outside. So which is equal to 2 power, 16 into 2 power 4 minus 1 within the bracket. Okay. Now this becomes 2 power 16 into 2 to the power 4 is 16 again, minus 1. 2 power 16, 16 minus 1 is 15. So into 15. Yes, now this 16 you can again split it into 2. So 2 power 16 you can rewrite as 2 power 10 plus 6 into 15. Okay, again you can split that powers. So this 10 power 6, isn't it? So 2 power 10 into 2 power 6 into 15. Now this is simple, isn't it? It is in the power of 2. So 2 power 10. Now the base becomes 2 and 2 table is so easy. So 2 power 10 is 1024. Okay. So 2 power 6 is 64 into 15. Yes, now 1024 into 64 into 15. You see this 15 you can rewrite as 10 plus 5. Okay, so now we are going to split 15 as 10 plus 5. So 1024 into 64 into 10 plus 5 within the bracket. Okay, now let's remove the bracket. So 64 into 10 plus 64 into 5. So 1024 into 64 into 10 is 640 plus 64 into 5 is 320. Half of 10, isn't it? So 320 within the bracket. Now we need to add both. Okay. So 1024 into what is 640 plus 320? It is 960. Again, you see this 960 you can write as 1000 minus 40. Okay. So 1024 into 960 can be written as 1024 into 1000 minus 40. Now let's remove the bracket again. So multiplying individually, we'll get 1024 into 3 zeros. Okay. So 1024 into 3 zeros as 1024 and those 3 zeros 000 minus this and that. So when you multiply, it is 1024 into 40. So 1024,000 minus what is 1024 into 4? It is 4096 and the remaining 0. Okay. Now let's subtract both. Let's subtract. So 1024,000 minus 40960. Okay. So this is 0. You borrow, so this becomes 4, this becomes 0, this becomes 3, 8 and 9. So your answer is 983040. Okay. Hence 16 power 5 minus 16 power 4 is 983040. Okay. Now let's verify using simple multiplication method. Okay, come let's verify. So 16 power 5 minus 16 power 4 is equal to 16 into 16 into 16 into 16 into 16 minus 16 into 16 into 16 into 16. Okay, so let's multiply using normal multiplication method. So 16 into 16 into 16 into 16 power 5, isn't it? So into 16 minus 16 into 16 into 16 into 16. Okay, 16 into 16. When you multiply, it is 256. Now 256 into 16 is 4096. Again, 4096 into 16 is 65536. Now 65536 into 16 is 1048576. Okay, so 1048576. Now minus of 16 into 16 is 256 again, and 256 into 16 is 4096, and 4096 into 16 is 65536. Now let's subtract 1048576 minus 65536. Let's do the subtraction. Okay, 1048576 minus 63556. Let's subtract. The answer is 6 minus 6 is 0, 7 minus 3 is 4, 0, 3, 8, and 9. So 98304,